I'm Zack Floyd with Gemeco Marine, a subsidiary of Airmar Technology, and today I want to talk a little bit about mix and match transducers. So what we have on display is a fairing block mount, a pocket mount, and an assortment of low-profile mount transducers that'll meet the needs of most applications. In addition to what's on display, we also carry a line of in-hole mounted mix and match transducers. Now, what is a mix and match transducer? A mix and match transducer has a dedicated cable, full length, that has a universal connector on the end of it. And when you buy a mix and match transducer, you have an option to buy a mix and match cable assembly. Now, the cable assembly has a universal connector for the transducer on one end and a sounder-specific connector on the other, giving you the ability to mix and match transducers and cables for a specific brand. So when we have recreational customers who, they want to update their electronics or they want to change electronics after a period of time, it means that you don't have to replace the transducer. You can simply swap out the mix and match cable assembly. So there's no cutting, there's no splicing involved, and it gets you back on the water a lot faster. Now, for our dealers and installers and boat builder customers, it means that you don't have to stock specific OEM matched transducers. You can keep a stock of a mix and match transducer and a full array of mix and match cables. And this will allow you to reduce your carrying costs and also reduce the amount of space that these transducers require in order to store them. So overall, it's going to be a net savings in product as well as how much you have to spend to keep transducers on the shelf. These transducers are manufactured by Airmar, who's been building his sonar equipment, for well over 40 years. And they're all manufactured in the United States and available through Gemeco Marine. So if you have questions or comments, give us a call or send us an email. The contact is at the bottom of the screen, or you can visit our website at www.gemeco.com, and we'll be happy to answer any questions.